So this is the place where I'm going to give it for rent, lease and sell, three options. I'm going to tell you in Kannada. ಈ ಮನೆ ಒಂದು BHK, ರೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಲೀಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೇಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಇದು ಎಂಟ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಇದು ಹಾಲ್. ಫ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇದೆ, ಕರ್ಟನ್ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಒಣಗಾಕೋದಕ್ಕೆ. This the hall. This is the place where you can put your washing machine and keep your clothes outside. And this is the kitchen, and here is the wardrobe. Here you can see it's already ready. Wardrobe, it's ready. This kitchen. Kitchen ಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ wardrobe ready ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. wardrobe ಇದು ಕಿಚನ್. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಬೆಡ್ರೂಮ್. ಇದು ಫ್ಯಾನ್ ಇದೆ, already fan ಇದೆ. It's already fan is been installed here. I will cut it, and we have a curtain. And curtain also it's closed. And we have a bathroom, western style, and we have a geyser, hot geyser. It's already installed. Hot geyser is there. And this is the bathroom. Ventilation out and mirror. And if you want to contact me, I'm going to tell you my number: 9986987123. So anytime you can contact me, but one day before I'll come and I'll show you. This is in the first floor. Outside you have a gate. Viewpoint is very beautiful, and it's on the first floor.